I am in Japan. Not Tokyo, but Atami. And I've been due for an ear cleaning, and I haven't had one done in a long time. And I've been looking for the perfect place to get it done in Japan. Couldn't find it in Tokyo, so I saw a video that Jason Rupp did, and he came to this barbershop here, again in Atami. It's called Kita Barbershop, and he got it here done. So it's like almost 3 hours away from Tokyo. I came just for this, and yes, this is the lovely barber. Okay. Okay. Alright. Ooh, legs. Gonna be up. Oh yeah, hi. Oh, now I'm relaxed.
Massage machine, okay?
Massage machine?
Okay?
Yeah, hi. Oh, this is massaging me. My back. While I get an ear cleaning. This is perfect.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu. I didn't sign up for this, but I like it. Okay. You know, she's shaving the hairs around the ear. I wonder how much wax is going to come out.
First time?
No?
No?
No. It's bad? Good? Or? I feel like for her to be asking if it's my first time, it must be dirty. That can't be it. Hey, that was it. That's it?
Okay.
Yeah? Oh no. I think that was it for the first one. Really, really quick. I think that's it. She's just quick with it. has to be the. Is that it? If that's it, that has to be the quickest ear cleaning that I've ever done.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes. Up.
Alright. Oh. Oh. Mhm. Oh.
はい、すいません。
Arigato
はい、
gozaimasu.
お疲れ様です。はい、
Okay. She like wiping me down.
はい、OK。
Okay.
はい、ありがとうございます。
Gozaimasu.
お疲れ
Thank you.
様です。